Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can apply for a credit card from Halifax for your PC. So first you need to open your preferred web browser, and on the address bar or the Google search bar you're going to type in Halifax. And you will click on the second or a sublink from the first link of the Halifax. So you're going to click on credit cards. Open the link and you'll be greeted with this page. So now you'll scroll down and you'll see some of the categories of their cards. So you're gonna choose whatever suits your purpose or needs. You want a large purchase credit card, you're just gonna click on right here. If you need travel credit cards, you're gonna click on travel credit cards. You can click on everyday spending credit cards. So this say groceries, Uber, sometimes bars, pubs, So you're going to click on this. So let's say for the sake of the video, I'm going to choose on everyday spending credit cards. I'm going to click on there. So the way Halifax does is, rather than just showing their list of credit cards, they will have you check your eligibility. So what that does is, once you check your eligibility and what that does is, according to your needs and other stuff, needs and information, they will provide a list of credit cards that you can apply for. Just fill these, fill the form, continue, fill another form, wait for some time. It will show you a list of credit cards that you can apply for, and you can choose from that list whatever suits your needs, then click on apply. So that is how you apply for a credit card from Halifax. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.